A mistake I see among those that desire to start a business and get into striping is that maintaining their full-time job while building their business on the side is somehow shameful. And guys, I hear this all the time. They say, Chris, I quit my job to start a striping business. I'm going all in. Or I got fired from my job. Now it's time for me to go all in. Every person that I've talked to about this subject always says, I'm going all in. And my response to that is, why didn't you go all in before you quit or got fired from your job? And guys, the last thing you want to do is quit your job to build a service-based business with no money in your savings account, no equipment, little to no experience in the industry you're pursuing, and no existing customer base. And that's why in today's video, I'm talking about the reasons why you do not want to quit your job until you've accomplished these things that I've mentioned in this video. But if you're looking to learn more about parking lot striping but aren't sure about what paint to use, the equipment you need, or how much to charge for parking lot striping jobs, check out How to Stripe. It will be in the first link in the comment section and description. First of all, I want to say this. Don't quit your job until you've at least got 3 to 6 months of expenses in your savings account. The reason being is that you're going to burn through at least 3 to 6 months of expenses just to live on during the process of getting the business built up and established properly. Now, you are starting a business, so if you're good at customer acquisition, you will make money. But if every dollar you make from the business gets spent on your cost of living, that means you're not going to be able to take the money that you make, invest it back into the business, and scale properly. Because running a business takes money. You have to purchase insurance, equipment, supplies, customer acquisition cost, employment cost, taxes, so on and so forth. Now, when you're just starting out, you're probably not going to have much customer acquisition cost or employment cost for that matter, but you're still going to have to purchase insurance, equipment, and supplies. And when your bills come due, if you don't have those 3 to 6 months of expenses set back, you're going to have to invest every dollar you make from your business back into your personal bills. And what it's going to do, guys, is put you in a bind. You don't want to be financially strained when you're trying to build a business. Secondly, don't quit your job until you've got good enough equipment to successfully complete the jobs in the shortest amount of time. Ideally, our goal is to make as much money as possible in the shortest amount of time, because time is money, and the more money you spend on a job, the less time you have to allocate your time elsewhere. So you want to make sure that you're investing in the equipment that's going to help you scale your business faster. And realistically, if you're going out there and rolling some of these jobs, that's not necessarily wrong when you're just starting out and you've got a handful of customers. But you have to understand that when you're trying to build and scale your business, when you're using rollers or spray cans for that matter, it's going to be hard. It's going to be tough for you to get those jobs done in a fast amount of time. So by keeping your full-time job allows you to take what you make from your business and invest it into better equipment that will help you scale your business faster. Third thing, don't quit your job unless you've developed a sustainable skill set. It's not just about striping, sealing, washing, mowing, whatever service-based business that you're in. It's not just about the operational aspect of that business, but it's about managing, accounting, budgeting, marketing, leadership, discipline. These are sustainable skill sets that you acquire over time. Lastly, don't quit your job unless you've developed a consistent customer base of reoccurring income that matches or exceeds what you make at your day job. Now, if you're making $100K at your day job and then you're pulling in $70K of reoccurring income from your business, and you can afford a $30,000 pay cut, then by all means, go for it, right? But I'm talking to the guys that make 30, 40, 50K that don't have money saved up. Do not quit your job unless you have that customer base, because what that does is allows you to budget for the next season. So for example, when you don't have an existing customer base of reoccurring income, you don't know what you're going to make, right? Now, I understand that you can lose customers, get customers, but you should have a good idea of what you're going to make next year. Like, the close of our season is in a few weeks, but next year, I know what I have to look forward to in reoccurring income, okay? If you do not know what you're going to make next year off of reoccurring income, it's pretty dangerous for you to just jump out full time, especially if you got a mortgage, car payment, large family, debt, so on and so forth. So don't quit your job unless you've developed a consistent customer base of reoccurring income that matches what you make at your day job. Anyways, if you made it this far in the video, comment down below success, and don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video.